It is Thursday, April 16th, 11:33 a.m. I'm done for the day. Just wanted to go over the trades. I had a good day today. All win trades and decent day. I had put in the recommendations of the not recommendation, the preview for the morning of what I expect the price action to be going to, and those are just guesses. And by the way, before I forget, once I this is completed and done, I tend to change those to a dashed line, meaning it's no longer in play. This is just history, so I can go back and study the charts. So I guess we must have some news heading right now. Let's see. European officials seeing needing 6 months for Iran deal. Oh wow. Anyway, and then that's why I stopped. I'm glad I stopped because the right at the last trade I took, we just news popping up every 10-15 seconds and contradicting each other, and it just so, when we have this kind of crazy news day, a lot of those lines we just will become really not very useful. With that said, starting off with the MNQ, the start of the day I was looking at a flush down to this level over here, and we move up, but the price continued lower, deeper. I was looking at this level, and this to hold the price range, buy here, sell here, but I was wrong. So it exceeded. I wanted to buy in here, didn't get low enough to get it. Ended up buying when it broke this resistance in here. It came back, broke it up here, then it came back, and in here when it came back down to this level, I bought it and added another contract in here, and took the two out with not a lot of profit, just some. I think possibly 5 points. I can't remember. I'll show the trades at the end of the video. Then yeah, see this would have been a good one right here. This line when I put it on the MES only, and I have it green. It's basically the line in the sand is where the bulls and bears are basically taking a stand. I get it from another trader I've watched before, and it seems to work really well. And anything above it is bullish, below it it's bearish, but at the same time I want to see if it holds, and you see right over here now it held well. I could have bought in here because we have we have support with this trend line, and we have this line in the sand. This would have been a great setup at 7065 going into 75. But I would most probably not have traded it seeing the price go this low and seeing some news hidden. I would have just probably looked at it and waited. MNQ, I had long again. This is what I had expected. Flush down right at this point in here, below stops, running stops, below. Can't get the cross to show. Below this in here. I bought it and added to it, and it didn't do much of anything, and I exited quickly, and I'm glad I did because it continued on dropping in here. Now that was a short. No, that was a long. Yeah, I bought it and I covered quickly. I bought it and I sold it back in here for a MNQ was 11 points, I think. Again, some news came out, and right after I took the exit, so it worked out good. Then we moved up back here to support, and right at support I sold one. Right in here, my target was made, and I said, like, I'm done with this. Of course, if I had stayed with it, this would have been a nice gains to have, but you don't know that when you're standing on a trade, and anything can happen. Any news can break any second. So this was 6 points, I believe. Also traded the M2K. I had taken a long in here and want to take another long in here. That was a good setup. Again, this setup right over here, I expected it to start moving back up to this level. Got a long, put a limit. Actually, I have a picture of the limit. Let me find it. I had a limit. I'm long, and it did take some heat, and I put another long in here, and we didn't get that deep. I expected it to come down here and just flush some more stops, or at least flush below this line, and I didn't get filled. And I just sold one lot over here. I went ahead and took profit for I can't remember. I'm going to show the it's I think 10 points or 11 points, 11 and a half points. Euro I might be filled now. I put a limit in here and it moved against me. It moved without me. Then I might have been filled out over here. Now I'll check it later. I might be filled on the euro. If I do, I'll put it at the end of the video. But I want to go long in here on the euro. And if it is, then I'm in good shape in here. I'm still holding the pound, waiting for my target. It went down some. Same thing, Australian dollar. I'm holding the long with the target up here. Yen, wanted it to come down and test the 158.60, and we're not there. Nothing here. Wanted to go up and sell 37.50, but we didn't get there. And here's the Swiss. I wanted to go up some and sell it, and then we didn't get there. Great day, and everything is looking good for the day, and I'm done. So I will put in the list of the trades at the end of the video.